wake up this morning and hey, why don't you wait until they stop the van and see if they're nosy today, which they are every day. But I got a hunch that you'll be fine. Coming from the drink. I gotta go. And don't forget, the cuffs, if they have you in them, the way to get loose and you can't chop them off. There's a bobby pin that I've seen in a movie that always works. And try that. Try jiggling it around, switch it back and forth. And if you can't get out of the handcuffs that way, and they're tight on you, I know grease won't help it. Try some grease from the motor oil and soak it on there and then get out of them, okay? I think that's the best concept I can come up with. Just ask them, can they loosen them in a little bit? You have to, go to the John. I'm having a cup of Joe. Anyway, Charlie, I gotta go. Look at Hallie. She's so boring. She's so disgusting. I love her.